Hey artists, Miss Kit Lang here. I'm back with a short, simple video to show you how to make your very own a teeny tiny little baby book using simple materials you can find at your house. Right, all you need is some cartridge paper and some scissors, safe scissors. And before you go running around your house trying to find all these materials, make sure you're asked your family that it's okay to use them. Right. Now, let's take a look on how to make your very own teeny tiny baby book. You've got your paper, you've got your scissors, you're ready to make your teeny tiny baby book. Start by standing your paper tall, portrait style, and folding your paper in half, hamburger way. Top tip, once the corners are kissing, put your finger at the crease and run your finger one way and the other way. Another top tip is to really make those creases nice and pronounced is to take the handle of your scissors, hold the blade, and run the handle along the crease. Fold it again. Stand your paper tall, fold it hamburger way. Finger trick, scissor trick. Do it again. Stand your paper tall, hamburger fold, finger trick, scissor trick. First step. Now open up your folds until you have your 4 rectangles, and your paper now is only folded once. You will be making one cut along one of the lines that you have, one of the creases. It's very important when you cut, you make sure that you are doing it on the crease end and not the open parts of the pages. It won't fold into our book if we do it from there. Has to have the cut from where the paper is folded. So once you find that, you're going to cut along and stop and when you reach the center. So cut and stop. Want to be quite precise with that. Now we open up our entire paper for our third step and then fold it hot dog way. Now I have my opening at the center. Take your scissors again and do the scissor trick along the one side and the other to crease those down, those folds down. And then the last step, you will hold your paper on both ends and push the paper together so you make Kermit the Frog, ribbit, ribbit, or make a square. Keep pushing until they fold and collapse, then wrap the book around. And I have my book. I'll show you that last step one more time. You have your paper folded in half like a hot dog. Gosh, this is making me hungry. Hold the sides and push the paper together so you can have that opening, that ribbit, ribbit, Kermit the Frog. Push, push, push until it collapses and then fold the book around. You have a cover, first 2 pages, third and fourth, fifth and sixth, and a back. So you now have, with one single cut and one sheet of paper, your very own a teeny tiny baby book.